Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Weather Talks. Today we're going to talk about how we can download climate data from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration database using this web address. I'm going to put this link in the description of the video so that you can access it easily. This is a very simple and easy to use page. First of all, we specify the type of our dataset. As we see, a couple of options are provided by this drop-down list. So for example, we can access daily, monthly, or annual data, or even we can get normals, also called climatology, at annual, seasonal, daily, hourly, and monthly timescales. But the point is that some of the options are only available for the United States, not globally, okay? For more information about different types of data sets available in this particular database, you can use this link here. Second of all, we select the time span of our data set. For example, let's say I want to see what's happening from January 1st, 2021 till now, or actually the last available date. We apply this filter. Next, we specify how we'd like to search through the database. We can search based on either the name of stations or geographic areas such as cities, countries, states, or even hydrologic regions. But again, some options are only available for the United States. And finally, of course, we have to give the system something to search for. So here I'm going to type in Tehran, which is my hometown, and now we press the search button. What happens next is that the system brings up the list of all available items based on our search criteria. Here I get only one item and I'm going to click on it to see the details. Okay, as we can see, this is a station whose name is Tehran Mehrabad. Actually, this is a meteorological station which is located inside Mehrabad International Airport. We can also learn that this station has been recording data from 1943 till now, and it has about 37% missing data during this period. In Station Data Inventory Access and History section, we can see that two surface variables are available for this station: air temperature and precipitation. We can click on each of these variables to see more details about them. Everything looks fine, so I'm going to click on the Add to Cart button so that this data set will be added to my cart. Then I click on the cart button to view the selected item. Here we can choose the format of our interest. I'm going to select the CSV format, which can be easily opened with spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel. And we press the Continue button. Now we have some custom options. First of all, we can add the station name and its geographic coordinates as separate columns to the output file. Also, we can add some data flags which give us some information regarding the quality of data. There's a document on the right side which provides flag definitions, and if you want to add flags to your data set, you should have a look at this manual. So I'm going to check geographic location and include data flags. Moreover, if we need metric units rather than British units, we have to adjust units here. Under Select Data Types for Custom Output section, we can choose which variables we'd like to add to the final output file. Here we have two variables, precipitation and air temperature. I'm going to check both variables and press the Continue button. In the last step, we review the requested data, and if everything looks fine, we provide an email address and submit the order. Now the system sends us an email similar to this one, and we can readily download the dataset by clicking on the download link. This is how the final .csv file looks like, which is a pretty neat and beautiful output. Many thanks for watching. Abbasian here. I'll see you in the next video.